Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 5 of our video series in which we are learning the names of various animals in Korean language. In the first 4 parts, we learned the names of different farm animals, pet animals, aquatic animals and wild animals in Korean. Now, here in the 5th part, we are going to learn the names of birds in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 4 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. Now let's start with the 5th part. First comes the word bird. So in Korean, bird is se. Se. Now comes the Korean word for magpie, and that is kachi. Kachi. Also, magpie is the national bird of South Korea. Alright, now comes the next word, and that is peacock. So in Korean, it is called 공작. 공작. Now let's see how to say parrot in Korean, and that is 앵무새. 앵무새. Next comes the Korean word for crow, and that is 까마귀. 까마귀. Next, let's see the word for sparrow in Korean, and that is 참새. 참새. Next comes the Korean word for swan, and that is 백초. 백초. Now let's see how to say pigeon in Korean, and that is 비둘기. 비둘기. Also, the Korean word for dove is also 비둘기. Okay, because sometimes we can interchange the words pigeon and dove in English also. So the same word is the Korean translation of pigeon and dove, that is 비둘기. Okay. Next comes the Korean word for ostrich, and that is 달초. 달초. Now let's see how to say duck in Korean, and that is very simple. 오리. 오리. Next comes the word for hawk, and that is 매. 매. This one was also very simple. Now let's see how you're going to say crane in Korean, and crane is 두루미. 두루미. Now comes the Korean word for eagle, and that is 독수리. 독수리. Next comes the word for owl in Korean, and that is 올빼미. 올빼미. Now let's see how you're going to say flamingo in Korean language, and that is 홍학. 홍학. Next comes the word for hummingbird in Korean, and that is 벌새. 벌새. And the last one is the Korean word for woodpecker, and that is 딱따구리. 딱따구리. So, in this video, we learned the names of different birds in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.